Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up parental control on your child's Samsung Galaxy S22. So at the very beginning you need to install the family link on your device, on parent's device. So open Play Store and find here family link. Find it and install it. So after that you need to log out of all Google accounts on the child's device. To do this, open Settings, scroll down, choose Accounts and Backup, then Manage Accounts, choose Account to delete and choose Remove Account. Cool, now you need to add an account, a Google account, on your child's device, and to do it just press Add Account, choose Google and add Google account. But you need to know that if the child knows the password from his own account, he will be able to bypass the blocking of Google Family Link, and therefore as you need to create an account for the child with a password that only you will know, or ask the child to change the password to one that he will not know. So, okay, log in into Google account, into child's Google account. Enter child's email and enter child's password. Next, tap I agree. Scroll down, choose accept. Cool, now go back. Scroll down, choose Google in settings menu. Then choose manage your Google account. Oh, sorry, go back. Scroll down and choose parental controls. Then choose Get Started, choose Child or Teenager and choose Next. Choose Account to supervise and log in into your Google account, into parent's Google account. So enter your email. Then enter a password. Click Next. Scroll down and confirm child's password again. Tap Agree. Allow supervision. Something went wrong. Choose retry and try to all good. Okay, tap Next and wait a while. Scroll down, choose Next, skip and go back to the home screen. Cool, now open Google Family Link on your device. Go down and choose Get Started. Here you will see a Google account you just recently added, so tap on it and cool. So as you can see we have full access for child's device. We can disable his device, we can lock his device. Samsung Galaxy S22 for example, lock now. We can lock his device. We can unlock his device. We can block apps. We can block separate applications. For example, to do it, choose View All Apps and choose Application to Block. In my case, it can be a calendar. So find here calendar. Click on the send watch and choose block. And as you can see, calendar on child's device was successfully blocked. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.